sitting there going through my phone. I had videos of working on a Ford Ranger. And I'm looking at it going, what are we doing? It does, I mean, it looks like the same Ford Ranger we did before. And I sat there and I couldn't think of where this footage came from. And I kept thinking and thinking, I kept watching and going, man, we should have pulled the motor out. What the hell are we doing? It wasn't. I totally forgot that we had another Ford Ranger came in. Same color, but I think it was a 95 or 97. I can't remember. And that had a spark plug because they had a misfire on that one too. But one of the spark plugs, all the porcelain was busted up. Once we got that fixed, it ran okay. But again, another one that had a lot of vacuum leaks. So that's what we were doing to that one, is going through all the vacuum leaks and fixing that. And if you guys don't remember what the spark plug looked like, there it is. There wasn't no porcelain left of it. But yeah, dawned on me. I was like, hey, the same color, everything, somebody else. And I guess we never posted that video. But yeah, I'm gonna get that posted up here soon, and then I'm going home. It's sort of getting cold. I was going to clean up, but I think I'm gonna leave that till tomorrow, and I'll see you all then. So I was putting, no, there won't be no more minimum wage going up. Everything else is going to come down. Rent is going to come down. PG&E cannot have their, we charge more during these particular hours. Nope. Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, I believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.